Port St. Lucie at one of our fire jobs that just came across. Someone fell asleep with a cigarette, apparently, and burned their entire property down. They called us. We were out here within 24 hours. Got an estimate to them. We were able to start work right away. We've got a big crew working, doing a full gut job. Then we're going to encapsulate the entire property to make sure that any smoke damage and smoke smell does not leak out into the rest of the house after the reconstruction is complete. So you definitely need to call Rapid Restoration 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are here. We will be at your property within an hour. Anytime you need us, we are there when you're under distress.